You just picked up your car after a front-end alignment, the steering wheel is straight, and you expect a smooth drive. But as you merge onto the highway, the car suddenly brakes for a second, the traction control light flashes, and you lose power. You didn't hit anything, the road is dry, and you weren't driving aggressively. It feels like your car is haunted, but this is a real problem, one that happens more often than you'd think. Back at the shop, the alignment checks out. The mechanics are stumped. The issue? The car's computer still thinks the steering wheel is off-center. The culprit, a missed step, resetting the steering angle sensor. After aligning the wheels, the car's computer needs to be told what straight is. If not, the stability control system gets confused and intervenes when it shouldn't. This can cause random braking, flickering warning lights, or even cut engine power. The steering might feel heavy or unpredictable. All because a simple electronic calibration was skipped. Modern cars rely on sensors, steering angle, yaw rate, and wheel speed to keep you safe. The steering angle sensor tells the computer your intended direction. After an alignment, if the sensor isn't recalibrated, it may report a turn when you're actually going straight. This confuses the stability control system, leading to dangerous corrections. Accurate calibration after alignment isn't optional, it's essential for safety. Without it, your car's safety systems can work against you. So, how do you fix this? You need a bidirectional scan tool, not just a basic code reader. Unlike simple scanners, a bidirectional tool can send commands to your car's computer, including calibrating the steering angle sensor. These tools used to be expensive, but now there are affordable options for DIYers. If you plan to do your own repairs, investing in one is smart. If not, make sure your shop has one and resets the sensor after alignment. Always ask before the work is done. Ready to recalibrate? Here's how. Park on a level surface and turn the engine on. Plug your bidirectional scan tool into the OBD2 port, select your car's make and model, then navigate to the ABS or stability control menu. Find steering angle sensor calibration, and follow the prompts. Make sure the wheels and steering wheel are perfectly straight before starting. Start the calibration. It takes just a few seconds. When you see calibration complete, you're done. Don't rush. If the wheels aren't perfectly straight, you'll just program in a new error. Always check for fault codes before calibrating. Fix any issues first. Ensure your battery is fully charged to avoid communication errors. Mismatched or unevenly worn tires can confuse the system too. Keep tires matched and properly inflated for best results. After calibration, check the live steering angle data. It should read 0 with the wheels straight. Take a careful road test, drive straight, make gentle turns, and watch for warning lights. The car should feel normal, with no phantom braking or power loss. Document the calibration in your service log. Skipping this step can turn a perfect alignment into a dangerous drive. In modern cars, syncing the electronics is as important as the mechanical work. Resetting the steering angle sensor ensures your car drives straight and safe.